Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that a lot of people are buying fake views, subscribers and likes. What are we going to do about it? Uh, I did some a little bit of googling on this topic. I have found out that YouTube has been taking action, and I'm pretty sure other social media platforms are also taking their own actions. Because fake views is not something that is only only limited to YouTube. I'm pretty sure Facebook deals with the same problem, and other video platforms, other social media platforms have the same problem of fake views, fake likes, fake hits, all these kinds of things. So I read some statistics and I was actually appalled that there's a possibility that a huge, maybe in the billions, huge numbers of Facebook accounts that are out there. You don't need any kind of verification for having a Facebook account. You just need an email ID and you are good to go. You don't need some kind of documentation, some kind of verification that as to whether it's a bot account or whether it's some fake account. Facebook is just a thing, and it is quite possible that billions of Facebook accounts on the platform are just bot accounts, are just fake accounts that are just being used to inflate views, to inflate hits, likes, and all these kinds of things. That they might be the bot accounts that some agency might have created for the sake of inflating these metrics, inflating the view count, inflating the like count, and all these kinds of stuff. The same thing might be possible on YouTube. I just read one case. There are two cases. There is the case of Lady Gaga, who's after YouTube was done with wiping out all the fake YouTube accounts and the fake views, 156 million views from all Lady Gaga's videos were wiped out because they were fake views, because they were views from bot accounts, or they were just paid views or something like that. I don't know the details, but 156 million views in total of all Lady Gaga's videos were wiped out because they were fake views. The same thing happened with there's a case in India. I'm pretty sure that some people would know. There's a rapper named Badshah, and this rapper Badshah, aka I think his name is Pratik Singh Sisodia. Again, I might be wrong about his real name, but his rap name is Badshah. And this Indian rapper is under investigation right now because he has paid some 72 lakh Indian rupees. Just do the calculation. 72 lakh Indian rupees is basically what is that? 7.2 million Indian rupees. So convert that into US dollar to get a perspective on, or into any currency that you want to get a. Of course, if you're Indian, you don't need to convert it. But whatever currency that you feel that you want to convert to, just convert it, and you would know the exact scale of that transaction. So people are prosecutors, I think, are claiming, or basically people are accusing Badshah of getting 72 million views by paying 7.2 million Indian rupees. Just calculate how much that is. 1 million is equals 10 lakh, I think. So that's 7.2 million Indian rupees. Calculate how much that is. So 72 million views are just doctored on his one of his videos named Pagal. And basically the cops are saying that Badshah wanted to set a world record of having the most number of views on a video in 24 hours. So in one day, the most number of views, that video got some 75 million odd views, and again it is now coming out that 72 million out of those 75 million are just fake views, are just paid views. I mean, is it just Badshah? By the way, is it just he that is being singled out? I am pretty sure that all musicians, all big, or maybe it's not fair of me to say that all musicians and all music labels and all musicians, big stars in the music are doing that. But I'm pretty sure that a huge chunk of these rappers, music artists, uh, music labels, uh, singers, artists, all of these people, a huge chunk of these people are actually involved in the buying and are actually buying views for their videos on YouTube, maybe buying hits for their albums on Spotify or on any other platform, I think. So it's not just limited to social media platforms. I'm pretty sure. So this kind of thing might also happen in Spotify. Who knows? I don't know. I mean, I don't know what are the details, but again, I don't know the details. But if I'm pretty sure that Baksha isn't the single one, isn't the only one who is doing something like this in the music industry, and in any other industry for that matter. So how, as I've already said, if people are going to do that, that metric, that YouTube view, that Facebook view count, like counter, and all these metrics, they would lose their significance, they would lose their value if people are inflating it all the time with the help of paid views, paid hits, paid likes. uh, what's the point of that? What's the point? uh, the whole business model of YouTube and all these platforms are just going to end if these kinds of things continue unabated. I mean, I don't know what is going to happen. um, More on this in the next video. Until the next video, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.